Again, reminder that we will be cutting the ladies to a top three, and there will be another and final Q&A round for the top three. Okay, now here we go. First to make to our final three is San Antonio, Queen Denise Madaya. Our second spot is for San Roque, Arisa Fernandez. And our final queen for our top three, congratulations because you made it to the cut. Queen Tiltilo Troy Garcia. Very much for your effort and presence this evening. Queen San Antonio, your final question goes like this. So much. If you could inspire one young LGBT person who is struggling today, what message would you give them? Again, if you could inspire one young LGBT person who is struggling today, what message would you give them?
If I could inspire a children, a young LGBT person, which is still strong and be kind. I myself experienced a lot of discrimination because of my skin color. And that taught me so much. And that we can create a children with have a knowing knowledge that being an LGBT or struggling is not just a bad thing, but it can give a lesson in our life that we can apply it to our future. Thank you.
Olena. Okay, Queen San Roque, here is your final question. Why is it important to accept yourself first before seeking acceptance from others? Again, why is it important to accept yourself first before seeking acceptance from others?
Well, when I was young, I was told by mom that I want to be a junior designer soon, and that makes me impossible because of my dreams. That my mom supported me a lot, and that gives me a full acceptance of who I am. And my father was died before, and he really took me to play volleyball. But I am here because I have an acceptance to him, and that fulfilled an acceptance of myself. And as your Queen of Hubay, I want to raise my voice that acceptance is keep more importance to every society, and that will bring us more towards future, and that will make us in a better life and a better way to succeed in our own story. Daghang salamat kayo.
Tilon, Troy. How can kindness make a difference in someone's life? Again, how can kindness make a difference in someone's life?
Thank you. As a member of LGBT that experience unfair and not experiencing kindness, I would use my voice to influence and inspire changes, challenge discrimination, and encourage acceptance. Because when we choose acceptance, we can create or we can build a society that every person can live freely, confidently, and with dignity. Thank you, Mayang Gabi.